taken it to another level. Another 12, 15 runs here. We just take them to 170, 75. So that would be a very, very competitive total.
I think they need those runs because there's no real devil in the pitch. It's playing well. The outfield is slow, not extremely quick, but it's a good outfield. So 170, 175 would be a par score.
Well, yes, I think you would need 175 to put pressure on the Karnataka Bulldozers because they've been the side of the tournament so far. They've batted well, bowled well, fielded well. Like Virender Sehwag, stand and deliver, making room for himself.
Yeah, and who would know more about Viru Sehwag than Akash Chopra? So perhaps there's a parallel to be drawn there.
That's a pace bowler as well, and he's got a half century in one of the games that were played last weekend.
So one can safely say that he's actually a pretty regular cricketer. He's got the skills, as you saw in that late cut, reading the pace and the length well. I think that was missing the leg stump clearly, so the appeal is in vain, futile. This could possibly be the best batting pair for the Telugu Warriors. So a lot depends on them if they reach that kind of 150, 180.
Well, these are the co-founders of CCL making their vision into a reality.
To make it, I think, which would be competitive is about 160, 165.
Scoring the same area. At the end of 10 overs, it left the ball loose balls unpunished. Change of angle from the bowler.
And it was not to forget, it's just the first ball of his new spell.
Well, a boundary again in the area where there's no protection. The short ball sits up. You see a lot of boundaries conceded in the deep
down the leg side. And that's what happened. Akhil took maximum advantage of that.
But definitely there is probably some plan because they have
a strange action. Bamboozles you. Looks like coming in, but never reaches that bowling mark. And in the meantime, the batsman goes for a couple of runs off his leg.
Great fielding effort so far from the Karnataka Bulldozers, who are looking the most athletic team in the field in the tournament. And a lot of work.